Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use the dynamic island on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to use your dynamic islands, let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open any music app, or you can use your timer or clock using your dynamic island. Or even you can get notifications or a simple preview of your notifications in this dynamic island section. So let's say very first I'm going to play a music app. Let's say I'm gonna use Spotify app here. So whenever you open your Spotify app and you try to play a music, so it will be minimized in this section. So you can go to the app directly by tapping on this center of the screen called Dynamic Island area, or you can also keep a long press on it to see this type preview of your app or your music. You can fast forward, even you can pause or play your music from here. Or this is the first phase. The second phase that you have to open any clock, or let's say I'm gonna select or set a timer of 15 minutes here. So once the timer has been started, now go back. So you can see it also has been minimized through my dynamic island. So I'm gonna choose the music app here. Here's the music app preview, or here's the time my timer app. So I'm gonna keep a long press on the timers, and you'll see the timer of in a minimize screen or a minimize view. So you can pause it, you can cross it, and let's see, I'm gonna close it from here. Once I have closed, so here you can see I have only the music app. So now I keep a long press on it and pause the music app, it will be paused from here. So in this way, you can easily use your dynamic islands on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.